been raining here for the last couple of days, so I just decided there's no time like the present. I'm gonna clean up outside on my porch and do a little bit of fall decorating. Here's my mom's. Also have these summer planters. They're still looking pretty good, so I will use them. There's burgundies and yellows in them. And here's what the porch is looking like right now. Gonna be changing out the wreath on the door. I'm not sure if I'm gonna change out this first or just add some fall colors to it. It's really dirty out here too. I really need to sweep. Change out the mat. Here's my wreath, some fall faux flowers. I also have the cattails that I think will look nice out here. I might use them, I'm not sure.